that fish. That feels a little better. Hey, there's a good one. Didn't even see that one on the screen. Come here, you. You're gonna get shown off a little bit. Look at that. Let's talk about this fish. First one worth it. It was caught on that red and chartreuse jig. Look at that. Here we go. I don't have a bucket today, so we're gonna throw it back. But that's a nice crappie. I mean, it's not a slab, but not one you would be ashamed of for sure. There goes 12, maybe 13. Looks like still carrying eggs. She gets to go back and try to be a mommy. Oh, come on, you chicken. I should put some scent on this stuff. There we go. Come here, you. This feels like a good fish. That is a good crappie. Ah! Slab. Oh, you got fish water mice. Damn it. There we go. You know, I'm gonna get a picture of this too, because it's good fish. It's a fine fish. Oh, that's one I normally throw back, keep the genetics in the water, but today I need to take some home. I got a doctor's appointment coming up, and I like to take fish to my doctor so he don't do exams I don't want to do. You got it, bro? Yeah, he's got it. Are you a good one? Feels like it might be. Ah, there's another good crappie. There we go. Come here, you fool. And my hook, thank you. This one for the GoPro. Good work. There's a fish. Come here, you. Good one, too. Yes, sir. Slab. Definitely slab. The crappie, magnet roo. Look at this one, guys. That's good. Definitely good fish. Another slab for us in a bucket. Good edible crappie. Good edible, right crappie, white crappie. Not a slab, but it's kind of like perfect for the grease. We're not keeping it because I didn't bring a bucket, but come on. If you get a look at it, it's got the right. I mean, length is important on fillets, but you're also looking for the thickness and the width of the body. So there we go. Going back in the water though. Tell by crappie magnet. Fish. It feels like it might be edible. It is. There's a nice. There's a good wide body. Maybe not long enough to call it a slab, but it's a good wide body fish. I mean, I'll be glad to throw this one back so we can keep the genetics in the water, because you give that son of a gun until fall. That thing's gonna go 15, 16 inches. Right now it's probably 12 or 13, maybe 14. I'm not gonna measure it. Good fish though. Like absolutely no reason to complain. All right, back in the water. Happy about that one. And there's another good one, I think. Yeah. Goodness gracious, folks. I know I wish I brought my bucket, but I didn't. Hey, don't make me step on you, bro. I'm known for it. I'll step on you. I did. It's okay to step on them, just don't crush them. I usually step on their tail if I can, just enough to keep them pinned down. There we go, another nice one. Caught that one on that split tail crappie magnet. There we go. See, back in the water. Another good one. Edible. White crappie. Yeah, that's edible. If I had a bucket going, I'd keep this one. I wouldn't start my bucket with it. I don't know, the more I look at it, the more keepable it looks. But without measuring it. There's no size limit on this lake, by the way. There is a bag limit of 25 crappie, but no size limit. That one's keepable. Yeah, that's edible. Yeah, kind of thin maybe. When I get it up closer, maybe I've seen it through my bifocals. I mean, again, it's one of those you could end your bucket with. I wouldn't start it with it, but I'd be happy to end it with that. Not happy, but I'd settle. There we go. Here we go. Good fish. Ah! Bingo. That's how you do it. In fact, I'm going to get a picture of this one. Huh? Oh, be glad I don't have my bucket, buddy. Be glad I don't have my bucket. It's just slabbish.